All right, guys, today I want to do a quick unboxing review and setup on my new Trucozie Vacuum Cleaner. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. It's going to be definitely good if you have pets. So you can see I got my dog here, so let's go ahead and open it up. So you get the user manual for it. Just going to start taking out all the accessories, like to charge it. Some of the different nozzles for it. Other one as well. Bottom piece. Feels very sturdy. Bottom. All right. Everything is very well packaged in here. Very nice. All right, and then the battery for it. Very cool. So let's go ahead and just put it together. So we'll attach the battery to here. Should just slide right in. And there it is. All right, and then we should just be able to push this right in here. Very simple. Everything's locked in place. All right, and then just the last piece. There it is. See, very, very simple to set up. All right, before we actually use it, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like once you actually turn it on. And this one's more like if you wanna like mount this to like the door so that way you have somewhere to place this, you can do that as well. So we'll go ahead and just turn it on right here. Oh, let's see. That's great. That sounds pretty good. I like that LCD display right on here. Very simple to use, it's all touch screen, except for the power button. But let's go ahead and actually try it out. So as I'm trying out the vacuum, it does have a very powerful suction and 3 different speed settings, so you can pick just the right amount of power for any surface, whether that's a hardwood floor, carpet, or a mix of both. The big floor brush is designed to handle pet hair without getting tangled, which saves a ton of time if you got pets that shed. One thing that I really liked was a long-lasting battery. It's equipped with high, powerful batteries, giving you up to 50 minutes of runtime, so you can clean up multiple rooms without needing to recharge. And since the battery is removable, it's easy to swap it out or charge it separately. Plus, the vacuum does stand up on its own, which is perfect if you just need to leave it standing anywhere. It also comes with a couple of handy attachments. The 2-in-1 brush and the crevice tool makes it easy to get into those tight spaces like the couch, cushions, along the baseboard, around furniture edges. It's really versatile and does great job tackling those hard to reach areas. Another helpful feature is the LED light on the vacuum. When you're cleaning under sofas or beds, it'll show you exactly what you're picking up so you don't miss any kind of dust or pet hair hiding there. It does also use a high efficiency filter which traps dust and allergens instead of letting them back into the air. When it's time to empty the dustbin, as you can see, it's super easy. Just pop it open, dump it out, and you're ready for the next cleaning session. All right, guys, so there you have it. If you guys are looking for a new vacuum, especially if you have pets like I do, definitely consider some by Trucozie. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.